Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
It's want to talk about the apathy that the society have towards these children and the parents, and how they're being discriminated and how difficult it is for them to raise their child in a society which is not accepting. So that was the first moment when I felt that it is important to put together these conversations that I am having in the form of a film, so that people can come to their own understanding of the film. It is parents who are crying to tell the world their life, about their life, their children. Without speaking, they are saying what they want to say. So I wanted the world to know what this world looks like, and where you need to understand that they are in our world. And why is it that there is a difference between two worlds? There shouldn't be. We should always be accepting each one for the difference. Not two people can be alike. These children have some quality called hyperfocus. So they don't get distracted by many things. Me and you, while we are having this interview, we could be having many thoughts running through our head, whereas these children don't have those thoughts. They're very focused on what they're doing. So the good part is, these children can excel in whatever they do, and they do excel. And the thing is, like, there are many times these children, without actually, in the movie also they say, without actually seeing the notes, they can read, they can play music. And also music does kind of stimulate them in a very positive way.